What's up, everybody? Before I start this video, before I say anything else, I just want to say, if you're going through something, if you feel like you're going through something, or if you're just feeling some certain type of way about yourself or this world, you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be good. As long as you got yourself, you straight, and you'll always have yourself. All right? Stop overthinking. It's not the end of the world, bruh. It never is. Everything is a cycle. It just keeps cycling. You're gonna be good. All right? Soon I'm gonna start one-on-one consultations. So if y'all wanna talk to me one-on-one about a certain thing on, Zoom or, whatever, then, I'll put you on. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. I don't want to waste y'all time. So, duality. You pick up a coin, right? One side is heads, one side is tails. All right? In life, we've been conditioned to learn, all right, there's something good you could do, and there's something bad you could do, or something in between, neutral. All right? Light and darkness. Good and bad. Wet, dry. Hard, soft. Let it sink in for a little bit. So with that being said, there's duality in everything. Not just good and bad, also in perspectives and your perception on certain objects or certain matters in this lifetime. All right, so let's say, all right, I'm a tree lover, right? Let's just say I'm a tree lover, okay? I do love trees, but hypothetically speaking, let's say I love trees. I'm out here, let's say I'm in the forest and I'm chilling, and I see a logger or somebody come and cut down like a huge tree, like one of the biggest trees in the forest. So from my perspective, since I love trees, I'm gonna be like, damn, why he cutting down the tree? There's plenty of other trees. What the hell is he doing? Da 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 da. And from the logger's perspective, he sees a big tree, so he's thinking like, damn, like he low-key don't got it like that right now. He don't got that much money. So the bigger the tree he cut down, the more money he makes to feed his family. Let's say his wife, she's sick. They need a little bit more money to run the family and, keep her stable. So the tree lover, he gonna be like, damn, like what the hell is wrong with him? He don't care about the trees. He don't care about nothing. He just want to cut down the da. And meanwhile, on the other spectrum, the tree lover doesn't know. This guy, he needs the money right now. And cutting down the tree is probably the best option for him to sustain his family and keep his wife alive. But the tree lover doesn't know. You know what I mean? So something as simple as cutting down a big tree, there's two sides to that story, and there could be a neutral point of view. Someone else could be looking from farther away and just be like, it happened, I don't care, and just walk away. You feel me? There's always different angles and different ways to perceive things. So whenever you feel like a certain person acted a certain way, or you feel hate or discernment towards somebody or a certain situation, you have to respect. Spect, the root spect means see. All right? So re means again. So re-look, reevaluate, see again. You have to respect yourself before you can respect anything outside of yourself. All right? You have to respect yourself. You have to reevaluate yourself. You have to look at what you're really doing. You have to be more self-aware and just, not saying you gotta know everything in the world or you gotta be a brainiac or nothing, but just be self-aware and respect yourself. Love yourself. Love the good and bad, the duality of yourself. And it's not even necessarily good and bad. It could be like a brighter side, a more playful side, and a darker side, a more serious side. Like, bruh, you have to respect yourself before you can respect anything else. If you don't respect yourself, if you don't look at yourself and the things you do, and you're not able to actually internalize and reform or restructure the way you think about what you do, then how are you gonna do it for the next man? Like, because of this, let's say a certain circumstance befalls you and you don't respect the situation. You just think it's all bad. Like, dang, why does this have to happen to me? And you start victimizing yourself. And once you start doing that, that's where the fixed mindset comes in. You're basically putting your power outside of yourself. So now you can't even use your personal power to actually respect the situation, reevaluate, see what went wrong. Now, first you have to accept it, see what went wrong, how you could do better, what did you do that was good, and the circumstances before that played into what happened. And with all of that's basically respecting a situation. You just accept it, move on to the next. Life keeps going, it keeps flowing. You can't hold on to shit that be happening in the past. All right? This is why they say let go of the past, to allow more things to come to you in the present or the future. Because if you hold on to the past, bruh, what are you doing? The events that happened in the past, you're supposed to respect, evaluate, analyze, accept it. All right, it happened like it happened, bruh. You can't do nothing about it. You can't do anything about it. Nothing you do is gonna change what happened already. All right, you have the power to change right now and the future, even though the future is just a concept, but you got the power to change right now. So why hold on to the extra baggage that you don't need? This is gonna restrict your energy and prevent certain opportunities and your ideal lifestyle and circumstances to come to you because you're holding on to the past. You're restricting yourself. You holding yourself down. You're not supposed to do that. If you do that, especially for a long time, you'll never reach your full potential to help yourself, your family, and this world in general. All right? So, I'm gonna just leave it at that. I kind of rambled, but all in all, there's always two sides to a coin. Actually, there's always multiple sides to a coin, if you get me. There's infinite amount of perspectives. This is gonna sound different because I'm recording from my laptop. But in summary, once you respect yourself, it's easier to respect the world around you. And when you respect the world around you, it makes it easier to see the duality in everything. Big, small, good, bad. You'll be able to see things more objectively. So, I hope you guys took something from this video. This will probably be like a part 1. I always say that. I always say it'll be a part 1 and I'll make a second part. But yeah, that's all I gotta say for this video. Hope y'all took something from it. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I love y'all, man. Y'all be good. This is coming like straight from the heart. I'm not doing this for money. I just want to help people. All right, I want to help you. So yeah, it's your boy Elevation G signing out.